actors? It's true. In the land of show business make-believe, animals are actors too.
Pick up the money and bring it back.
Of course, every actor needs rehearsal.
Go. This is how we do it in a movie situation. Roll good. But in front of a live audience, you only get one chance. Mickey the Monkey. You pig. Jump up there and say hello. Sunshine, can you believe this? How about a big hand for the Martial Eagle?
But when you get right down to it, no matter how different animal actors are from their human counterparts, when they do their jobs right, the reward is just as sweet.
Applause for Trainer Mac Emery and all our fine animal actors.